Hi everyone, this is Chief Elvis of chiefelvis.tv. Last time I made mention that we'll look at solar panels, the types of solar panels we have in the system, and the best choice for your project or work. To recap, we looked at calculation, what you are supposed to take from the client, or what you are supposed to inspect from the client or require from the client to do your calculation or quotation for a solar system for a client home or factory. Today we are looking at panels. There are types of panels with efficiency, cost factor, and size. So we'll look at polycrystalline solar PVC panel. We'll look at monocrystalline solar PVC panel, and we'll look at thin film panels. Now with all these panels, the cells are very important in the manufacturing of the panels, and so you need to know the project you are doing, how you want energy to be absorbed, and which of the panels does this best at what cost. So every project will determine which panel you use. Basically here in Ghana we use monocrystalline or polycrystalline, and so you need to know which of them you'd use for which project. The polycrystalline is good. It's not as efficient as the monocrystalline. Now, difference: polycrystalline can absorb energy, is cheap but not efficient as mono. But polycrystalline has a resistance, some ability to resist dust. But monocrystalline, because it's very efficient, the least dust on it, it breaks the flow of the cells. For the polycrystalline, the cells are into pieces. The silicon that is used is not one cut silicon. It's pieces of silicon merged together to create one cell for the polycrystalline. But the mono is one cell, one silicon absorbable glass, or whichever you want to call it, that is made one cell. So if something falls on that cell, the dust falls on it, it's not able to absorb energy. So it means that you need to be checking and cleaning the monocrystalline panels faster as compared to the polycrystalline. So because the mono is efficient, it's expensive. Now the cells comes with its sizes. So there are 6 cell by 10, that is 60 pieces. But basically you are looking at an average of say 36 to 100 and something cell for an entire panel or array of a panel. So if you look at all of these things, then you understand which project you would use which system for, and at what cost to the client and to yourself. The design comes in different colors. The body itself, you can have black, ash or silver, and then white. And for the mono as well, it comes in different colors. So it's important that you know all of these things. Know the power each cell of a panel or array contains. So if you know all of these things, it's going to help you make the right choice. To recap, what I said is that 1, Every project budget determines which of the panels you use. 2. The efficiency of the panel would also determine if you go for that panel. But as I said, the monocrystalline is a one silicon cut for a cell, but the poly is small silicon cut that is meshed together to create one cell. And so the average of a 250 watt panel has 60 cells. So you need to know all of those things and know the calculation, and so you can even know a price of a cell to do your calculation, the unit price of a solar cell to do your calculation. So it's important that you understand all of those things. Thank you very much. We'll continue, but always remember that solar business is possible in Ghana. Thank you. Take care. Bye.